Hello everyone, take a circular sheet and the circular paintbrush. Now take the white paint all over it and paint it nicely as it is shown in the video. Now draw some lines all over it. It will look like the dandelions. Now with the help of the toothbrush, start making the grasses and it's all done. For the next one, paste the tapes and then take the earbuds. Now start pasting it all over it. Now paste some sheets and it will look like a hut. Draw some cute little windows and the doors. Now draw the pipes all over it and do it as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and then take some circular sheets, paste it all over and it's all done. It is looking cute, right? For the next one, take a clay and start pasting it all over it in a circular way with the help of your fingers and it will look like this. Now paint the lines with the help of the paintbrush and then paint the cute little leaves out of it. Repeat the process on whole sheet. Now take the clay and start making the butterfly out of it and it will look like this. Repeat the process and it's done. For the next one, take a paintbrush and paint it all over it in a circular way. Now repeat the process and then it will look like this. Paint some cute little leaves and the strings out of it as it will look like this. And now take some clay, make some eyes out of it and then make the little bugs or the bees and it's done. For the next one, take a crayon and start making the lines out of it and then blend it very nicely and gently, the different shades of it. Now start making the stems out of it and all over it. Repeat the process and it will look like this. Blend it very nicely and gently. Now start making these cute little buds. It's done. For the next one, take a leaves and start pasting it all over on the sheet as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process and then paste some eyes all over it and the smiley face. Now make the eyes and it's a Peppa Pig. It is looking cute though, right? Now paste the leaves as shoes and the sun and draw it very nicely and it's all done. For the next one, take a marker and start making the lines out of it as it is shown in the video with the different colors and then draw the little dots all over it with the help of an orange color. Now make the leaves out of it and draw all over it as it will look like this. Now take the yellow colored marker and start drawing the cute little bugs out of it or the honeybees we can say, and it's all done. For the next one, take your hand and print your hands with the help of the marker. Now draw some lines with the help of the pencil and start drawing it all over it with the help of a marker. Draw the beaks and the eyes. Now start coloring it with your choice of color. Color it very nicely in the alternative way. Use different colors as it is shown in the video. Now repeat the process and use different colors of it. It will look like this. You can choose your colors as you want and it's almost done. It is looking cute, right? Now draw some legs and the feathers all over the fingers as it is shown in the video. It's done. For the next one, take your hand and draw it as shown in the video. Now draw the lines as the ear and the collarbone. Now draw some circles as the eyes and the tongue as it is. Now start coloring the tongue and the ears of your different color of choice. Then start painting the eyes of it and the whole face as it is look like this. Now repeat the process, then make some cute little dots and it's done. For the next one, draw the fingers on your sheet. Now start joining the fingers as it is shown in the video. Do it very nicely as it will look like this. Now start making the small cuts out of it and then with the help of the green color, start making the leaves. Color the chilies, then draw the lines on the leaves and it's done. Thanks for watching.